Hi friends, this video shows how to factory reset Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite. First go to settings, the right side, then select My Fire TV, then go down, select reset to factory defaults, select it, then select reset. Now it's resetting, please wait. Okay, done. Press on this button on the remote. Then press this button to start play button. Then select English. Now it's scanning for networks. Then we can connect to Wi-Fi. Then log into Amazon account, so that way we can complete the factory reset. So please try it.